what do you see is the difference between 1980 and 2010 and now for the price of silver going forward? And what I mean by that is those two areas of 1980 and 2010, we saw massive rises with a large dip. So do you see the same thing happening going forward for silver?
Well, I don't, because they are fundamentally different to the current situation. I mean, what happened in 1980 was the bunker hunts tried to corner the silver market, and they failed in that quest. So in other words, this was something, they'd driven the price of silver up from something like $3, $2.50, $3, all the way up to 50. They then effectively ran out of muscle to continue doing it. And as soon as COMEX saw that they were running out of muscle, they then started taking action to ensure that the price came back. So that was the first one. The second peak was purely fueled by a speculative frenzy. This one is not. If you look at what's been going on, I mean, we've got this liquidity problem in London, but also if you look at COMEX, the price has been rising without open interest rising. Now, this tells us that it's a squeeze on the shorts rather than speculative demand coming in and bidding silver up. So this is different. And a chartist will also tell you that having been stopped at $50 twice over that long period of time, for silver to now break through it is actually a very important technical signal. And what we could expect is perhaps for silver to drift back to test that 50 level before it starts moving ahead again. So I would see this move today as being very, very different from those in the past. And undoubtedly, it sparked an awful lot of the speculative interest, if you like, on top of 50 rather than taking it up to 50. So this is a fundamentally different situation.